Y'all, it's so long. Like, past my waist. I don't know how the background looked because I just did my hair, but yeah, they come like all the way down here. So cute. I love them. I love these wigs so much. It's how the back look. Hope y'all can see the full back. The full back. It's so long and pretty, y'all. I love it so much. What's up, Bougie Gang? Welcome to my channel. So here I am showing you guys the wig. It was braided by @Braids on Instagram. So check her out. She did an amazing job. So here I'm just showing you guys where I sewed the elastic band on, so that when I'm applying the wig, it's not sliding off or anything. And I just attached it to the back of the wig where the clip is, right above the clip. If y'all look at where the clip is, y'all see exactly where I attached it in the back. And I just did it on each side, so that, and I just sewed it in like front and back, as y'all can see. And then when I was done, I went through like in a loop motion, tied it in a knot, and I did it once more to secure it, as you guys can see here. And then I cut it. Okay, guys, so in this video, I'm just going to be showing how I apply this full lace wig. This wig was constructed by Braids by Brand. The full lace wig was supplied by me. So, yeah. Start off by cleaning my forehead area where I'm going to be applying the lace glue. And just make sure it's clean thoroughly. And I'm just measuring it out now on my head. And if you can tell, the lace is melting perfectly with my skin. My knots were bleached by Stay On Beat here in Tallahassee. So make sure you guys follow her. She bleached my knots to perfection. So right here, I'm making sure it's on my ear. I could have went over a little bit, but y'all, it's trial and error. Like I didn't line it up perfectly, but like I said, it's trial and error, and I'll get better with time. This is my first time doing a braided lace wig, so I was just trying it out. But it still came out cute for what it was. And I had her just leave my edges out, and I plucked the front of the wig just to make it look natural. I didn't want it to look wiggy at all. I mean, it's a full lace. Lace is not invisible, but I just wanted to look as natural as possible. So I'm using the B&B lace glue to apply my wig, and I'm doing 2 coats. So here you see I'm just spreading out a thin layer, and I love this applicator because it just applies so evenly, and too much doesn't come out. So I'm just spreading it across. I'm starting from the middle, then I'm going to each side. So yeah, you'll just see me spreading it out, and then I'm going to smooth it out with a popsicle stick that came with the lace glue. But this is the B&B lace glue, and I just got it from my local beauty supply for about $8.99, I believe. And this is my favorite lace glue. It doesn't break me out. I don't get any bumps, and it lasts. So yeah, I love it. I play too much. So here I'm applying the second coat. Once that coat got a little tacky, I waited like 3 minutes, if that. And then I'm just applying the second coat on top of that. I don't plan on wearing this wig that long. So yeah, I'm just doing 2 coats of the glue. And here you'll see me just pulling it up. Now, one mistake I did make with applying this wig, I didn't pull it up as far as I should have. The middle was okay, but just as far as the sides, I got a forehead, so I kind of just, I like straight back braids, but I wanted like them to be a little bit further up, so that's why I went with the frontal. So if you wear frontals and you love frontals, you will love the braided frontal wig. It's just like you're wearing a frontal, but somebody just braided it for you. So it's a cute little style, do something different. But yeah, like especially on this side right here, I could have pulled it up a little further, but I kind of finessed it. But just for next time, when I apply it, I know to just pull it up just a little further because it did kind of slide back. But I finessed it, y'all know. I still made it cute. I'm just applying the glue to the other side, and I'm going to do 2 coats of it as well and smooth it out with the popsicle stick. Smoothing it out, getting any little spots that I missed with the popsicle stick and pressing it down gently. Like I said, for the sides, I just did it the same way. So here I'm pressing it, making sure everything is right. Like I said, I could have pulled it over a little farther on my ear, but I know better for next time. And yeah, so I'm just gently pressing it into the glue once the glue gets tacky. And you can put glue on the side like what I'm doing right here so that little side flap won't braise up, or you can bobby pin it, however you want to do it. It's no big deal. So here I'm taking a loose the baby hairs that that I left out, because I said I wanted them to be dramatic, because what's the point of a frontal if you're not going to do like dramatic baby hairs? Like, I want to look extra foreign. But yeah, y'all. So I just took it out. I left about this much out, so not too much. So yeah, the baby hairs are out. Here I'm just brushing through them, and I'm kind of just letting them flow naturally. I'm not too much forcing them. If anything needed to be plucked, I plucked it. You can't see right here, but I'm cutting with my scissors, kind of making them a little short. But like I said, you can do them as short as you want. And I'm just using the Got2b glue to swoop them with my edge brush. And I'm kind of swooping them into the braids so that they look natural and they naturally flow. But I still want them dramatic. And here I'm just about to take some mousse. And I'm using the comb side right here just to get it perfect. Then I'm taking some Nairobi mousse. I forgot to show you guys in the video. And I'm just sealing it in place. So make sure it's exactly how you want it before you go over it with the mousse, because it does dry fast. Here I'm plucking the other side, and like I said, on this side, you can kind of see the lace a little bit more, but I covered it with the baby hair. I could have, if I would have pulled the frontal up just a little bit more, it would have be completely melted, but it's a learning experience. So on this side, I'm doing the same thing. I'm just naturally swooping them to where they flow once the lace is melted, and doing the same thing on this side. And I wanted dramatic baby hairs. If you don't like them dramatic, you can do them short and as natural as possible, but I'm extra. So yeah, and like I said, I could have put it up a little bit more on the side and it would have been perfect, but it's still cute, y'all. I just want y'all to get a gist of the wig and how it looks. So yeah, this is the finished product. I tied the edges down, and then I waited like 10 minutes. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit up Braids by Brand and stay on beat. Look at me trying to pose. But yeah, I love this wig so much. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. I'm about to do the makeup tutorial, so it should be listed down in the description box. Bye, guys.